there's a short video showing all the wind farms in an area in mid Wales. As you can see, there are quite a fair few of them. Over in the distance there, which I can't get the camera to zoom in, there's even more. And here's one right in front of me. Look at the size of this one. And we're planning hundreds of these all over Wales. Now I'm guessing this one probably ain't as big as the ones that they're planning from the neighbours. But that said, this one's a fair size, isn't it? We need to stop all these turbines, as they're not needed. There's all alternative forms of green energy out there.